Hi guys, let us know what does the term request for quotation RFQ mean? RFQ is a document sent by a buyer to one or more suppliers or vendors asking them to provide a price quotation for specific goods and services. We will send an invitation to a multiple vendors to submit their quotation. Once the quotation have been submitted, then we will choose the best vendor based on the price, in-time delivery, quality, quantity, etc. We want to compare prices and terms from different suppliers before making a purchase. For example, if a company needs 100 laptops, then the procurement team sends an RFQ to the 5 vendors or suppliers. Then each vendor submits an quotation with the price and delivery details. Then the company compares the quotations and selects the best vendor among them. Then finally a purchase order will be issued to the selected supplier or vendor. Thank you.